Hello, my name's Jordan, and Sam from Explore Your Senses has very kindly asked me to look at and review some of her sensory items. Today I'm looking at the Noisy Fun Time kit. Let's have a look inside. First of all, we have a sound hose. Now these are good at two things. Hello! First of all, they're great at making sounds through wonderful for two-way conversation and for encouraging vocalizations. Not many people know this, but they also make an amazing whistling sound. Are you ready? Hear it sing? These are a must-have in any sensory classroom. Next we have this noisy monkey. Are you ready? Squeeze his tummy. He's so cute and soft, and his arms velcro together so you can hang him up somewhere. Now this is a new toy I haven't seen before. It's called a Yelly. It's a motion toy that moves when it hears sound. Great for encouraging vocalizations and for learning about cause and effect. Hello Yelly! Hello Yelly! This is a push pop, otherwise known as a Poppet. I'm sure you've seen them, they've been really popular this year. A bit like reusable bubble wrap. Just as satisfying. You push all of the bubbles in, and then once they're in, flip it over and start again. These are a great fidget toy and they make a great noise too. They're also really calming. There are so many activities you can do with these. Just Google Poppet activities and you will find thousands of ideas, including cooking, maths, English and more. I'm sure you've seen these light up spinners before, but this one makes a really fun sound too. This is incredibly sensory stimulating. You've got the lights, the spinning, the vibration and the sounds. Here we have this football rattle. Spin it around and hear the most satisfying click. Lots of sensory music makers seem to be plastic. This is beautiful painted and wooden, proving that traditional toys can also meet sensory needs. I've never entered a sensory classroom without there being one of these. A hand clapper. They make a great sound and they're also really visually stimulating. These are also great for adding into sensory stories. There's also a space blanket included in this Noisy Fun kit. These are absolutely irresistible for sensory children that love making a noise or love visual stimulation. Brilliant for lining a dark den with, they reflect the light beautifully. There's a bell. There's also a train whistle. Because there's 3 tubes, it makes 3 different notes that all harmonise with each other. It sounds just like a train, great for a transport topic or a sensory story. I know lots of train lovers that will love this one. Last of all, we have this musical spinning top. I like to really build up suspense when I use these. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Ready, steady, go! What a noisy fun time you could have with this kit.